Did you know you can make authentic Italian bread without kneading? Yes, you read that right. No kneading, no stand mixer, no sore arms. Just a bowl, a spoon, and a little patience. This is the easiest way to bring the aroma and flavor of rustic Italian bread into your kitchen. Why traditional bread making can be a hassle. For many home cooks, baking bread feels intimidating. The kneading process in particular can be a barrier. Kneading develops gluten, giving bread its structure and chew. However, it requires time, effort, and technique. Under-kneading can lead to dense bread, while over-kneading can make it tough. Moreover, traditional bread making often demands a significant time commitment. From mixing and kneading to multiple rises, it can take several hours to produce a loaf. For busy individuals, this can be discouraging. A no-knead bread revolution. Enter the no-knead method, a game-changer for home bakers. This technique relies on time and hydration to develop gluten, eliminating the need for kneading. The result is a crusty, flavorful loaf with minimal effort. One popular version is the pane dei castelli romani, a rustic Italian bread known for its crispy crust and soft interior. This bread is traditionally made in the Castelli Romani region near Rome and is perfect for bruschetta, sandwiches, or simply enjoying with olive oil. Ingredients you'll need. To make this easy Italian bread, you'll need 3 cups, 375 grams, all-purpose or bread flour. 1/4 teaspoon active dry yeast. 1 1/4 teaspoons salt. 1 1/2 cups, 350 milliliters warm water. These simple ingredients come together to create a dough that ferments over time, developing flavor and structure without kneading. Step-by-step guide. Mix the dough. In a large bowl, combine the flour, yeast, and salt. Add the warm water and stir until a shaggy dough forms. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap and let it rest at room temperature for 12 to 18 hours. Shape the dough. After the initial rise, the dough will be bubbly and sticky. Turn it out onto a floured surface and fold it over itself a few times. Let it rest for 15 minutes. Second rise. Shape the dough into a ball and place it on a piece of parchment paper. Cover it with a towel and let it rise for about 2 hours. Preheat the oven. Place a Dutch oven in your oven and preheat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Once heated, carefully remove the Dutch oven. Place the dough with parchment inside, cover, and bake for 30 minutes. Finish baking. Remove the lid and bake for an additional 15 to 20 minutes until the crust is deep golden brown. Let the bread cool on a wire rack before slicing. The moment of transformation. One of the most satisfying aspects of this method is witnessing the dough's transformation. After the long fermentation, the dough becomes airy and elastic. During baking, it rises beautifully, developing a crisp crust and tender crumb. Enjoying your homemade bread. This no-knead Italian bread is versatile and pairs well with various dishes. Use it for sandwiches, toast it for bruschetta, or simply enjoy it with a drizzle of olive oil. Its rich flavor and satisfying texture make it a favorite for any meal. Final thoughts. Baking bread at home doesn't have to be complicated. With this no-knead method, you can enjoy authentic Italian bread with minimal effort. It's an excellent way to bring the warmth and aroma of fresh bread into your kitchen.